Lean your upper back into the wall, feet hip width, about 2 feet forward. Core braced, spine long. Lock into this angle and pulse the hips forward just an inch, squeezing the glutes, then return. Move slow and steady. Think quality over quantity. Keep pressure light on the wall.
Stand tall, feet under hips. Press the palms together and draw the ribs in. Twist from the rib cage to the right, keeping the hips square to the front. Breathe here, 10 seconds. Feel the obliques working in length through the spine. Keep the shoulders away from your ears. Steady breath.
Step back, drop into the lunge. Drive through the front heel and kick forward. That's your reverse step kick. Keep the chest tall, core locked in, power from the glutes. Every rep, you're sculpting your thighs and lighting up the backside. Aim for control. Kick, reset, repeat. Feel that? That's strength, that's power.
Rise up onto the balls of your feet, heels high, core steady. Feel the ankles switch on. Keep the crown of the head lifting, shoulders relaxed. Hold here, breathe. Stable ankles mean better balance everywhere. Slowly lower with control.
Sink into a soft squat. Weight in the heels, chest lifted, core on. As you exhale, drive through the floor, rise tall onto the balls of your feet, and reach long overhead. Lower with control, hips back, hands back to center. Glutes, quads, calves, and core all working together. Smooth, steady, powerful.
Take your arms forward, palms down. Breathe in. Flow them open and feel the chest expand. Now draw slow, controlled circles, almost like painting the air with your fingertips. Keep the shoulders low, core steady. Each round.
Hands on your hips, knees soft. Inhale, lift tall. Exhale, sway the hips to the right, then sweep them back and around. Let the lower back melt. Circle through center and over to the left. Keep the shoulders quiet, spine long. Breathe with the...
Stand tall, core tight. Let's pulse it out for 8. 1, micro bend through that standing knee. 2, chest stays lifted. 3, small drop, small lift controlled. 4, feel that glute light up. 5, core locked in. 6, keep breathing. 7, stay steady.
Hang tall, shoulders packed. Exhale, drive both knees up and twist toward that right elbow. Feel the squeeze through your obliques. Lower with control. Left side now. Knees rise, hips rotate, core tight. Keep the movement slow and intentional. Think about lifting from...
Set your forefoot on a small wedge or plate, heels hanging free. Rise up just a couple inches and pulse there. Smooth, tiny lifts. Feel the calves switch on. Keep the core steady, knees soft. We're not bouncing, we're carving. Each squeeze pulls blood in and wakes up those fibers. 10 seconds more.
Ball goes high between the thighs. Sink down. Now press the knees toward each other. Feel that inner line fire. Stand tall. Keep the squeeze. That's 1. Lower with control. Hold, hug the ball. Rise. 2. Keep breathing. Every time you straighten, imagine lifting up through the inner thighs.
Shoulder roll number 1. Lift, float back, and let it melt down. Number 2. Up, back, open, and release. Spine tall, chest wide, breath easy. A simple reset for posture and peace. Anytime. Soft bend in the knees. Hinge, reach, touch. 1, roll it up, arms to the sky. 2, keep that core engaged, spine long, flow. 3, breathe with every move. 4, nice and slow, melting the hamstrings. 5, last rep, make it count. Touch, rise, and done.
Mini squat hold, back view. Sit the hips back, weight in the heels, chest proud. Think of pulling the floor apart with your feet. Keep the spine long, core tight. Feel those glutes and quads light up. Hold steady. Strong legs, strong hips. 3, 2, 1, and rock.
Lift the top leg to hip height and pulse. Small, controlled, right from the outer thigh. Keep your core tight, hips stacked. Good, breathe with the beat. Feel that burn building? That's your glute med and outer thigh waking up. Last 3, 2, 1, and...
Number 16, gentle back arch stretch. Breathe in. Interlace your fingers behind you, roll the shoulders back, and let the chest rise. Feel the spine lengthen and the mid-back soften. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, breathing steadily. Exhale, return to neutral. Repeat as needed for a happy...
March. Hold it. 1, feel the foot rooting, core locked in. Switch. 2, breathe steady, eyes forward. 3, keep the hips level, shoulders relaxed. 4, balance first, then step. 5, power through the standing leg. 6, and reset. That's your march and hold.
Feet wide, knees soft, hands on hips. Drive the hips forward and let them sweep around. That's 1, keep your chest tall, core engaged. 2, feel the stretch in the front. 3, keep breathing, long circle. 4, hips back. 5,
Hands light behind the head, core tight. Crunch right. 1, back up. Left. 2, lift the knee, squeeze the side. That's 3. 4, elbow to hip. 5, stay tall through the crown. 6, 2 more. 7, last 1. 8, nice job, release.
Touch the heel first, roll through to the toes. That's 1. Keep your strides small and steady. 2, 3. Let your arms swing naturally, keeping the chest lifted. Feel the blood moving toward the feet, then back up the leg.
Draw the left arm across the chest. Breathe in to lengthen. Exhale, soften the shoulder down. Release, sweep the arm forward and rise overhead. Let the side body open as you reach. Inhale up and bring it back down.
Feet under hips, shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze your glutes hard, tailbone tucked slightly. Feel that lift, release with control. Again, press, squeeze, hold for 2, and release. Keep breathing. Every squeeze lifts and tones the hips. Last one, strong.
Let the shoulders melt, ear toward shoulder. Breathe in. Exhale, roll the chin across the chest and send the ear to the other side. Gentle hand adds weight, never force. Slow release, return to center. Deep breath out.
Ready. Sink into that half squat and we're pulsing. Tiny, controlled moves. Keep your chest lifted, core braced. Notice how the knees track right over the toes. That angle stays steady. Hello, healthy knee joints. Quads and glutes fired up, but the magic is
from a quarter squat. Push gently through the balls of your feet. Lift a few centimeters, then land soft. Hold for a beat. Knees bent, core tight. That's 1. Think light and springy. Let the glutes and quads absorb the landing. Heels kissing the ground without slamming. Ready? Let's
side profile. Let's tap it out. Right hip, tap, left, tap, 2. Nice and soft through the knees. Let the hips travel. Add that scoop lift up through the chest. Good. Keep the arms loose. Double time now. Go. Right, right, left, left. Yes. Feel that burn in the
Side view, arms long, swing forward, squeeze back. Keep the chest lifted, core tight. Each rep fires up those triceps. Nice rhythm. Feel the back of the arms heating up. Keep breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great burn.
8. Standing spine twist, back view. Arms extend, spine tall. Inhale, twist to the right. Exhale, keeping the hips forward. That gentle ring through your midsection, it's like a massage for the organs, helping digestion wake up and flow.
soft bend in the standing knee. Hinge from your hip. Reach long through the back leg. Light touch to the floor, spine stays straight. Drive through the glute, pull that knee up in front, control and repeat. Length out, abs on, tap and rise. Balance is the win here.
Back tall, hands on hips. Bring the knee up slow and controlled, big inhale. Step through, exhale, lift the other side. Feel the backside fire up, glutes, hamstrings, even the low back. Nice and easy pace, we're not rushing this. Think of pulling the belly button in, crown it.
Rise up onto the balls of your feet. Hold it right here. Keep your core tight, shoulders over hips. Feel that burn travel up the back of your legs. Breathe steady. We're sculpting lean, strong calves. Yes, you can. Stay tall, stay light. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and slowly lower. Shake.
Hold tight, palms down. We're pulsing at the top, tiny lifts. Think about carving the shoulders and lighting up the triceps. Core stays braced, chest open. That's it. Keep the range small and controlled. Feel that burn building? That's where change happens. Final seconds. Stay with me. Smooth, sharp pulses. 3.
Stack your feet under your hips, lace the fingers, reach tall. Inhale to lift, exhale, lean to the right. Feel the side body open as the waist draws in. Keep the shoulders away from the ears, lengthen, don't collapse. Breathe, come back through center, switch. Let the left ribs
hinge forward, core tight, and drive the heel straight back. Squeeze the glute at the top, hold it, control the return. 2, keep that standing knee soft. 3, hips stay square to the floor. Last one, lift, squeeze, and release. Glutes on fire.
Raise that knee hip level, stand tall. Hold it here, belly flat, ribs in, shoulders soft, crown of the head lifting. Think about drawing the thigh up while you push the standing foot down. 15 more seconds, core is on. Stay steady, you're almost there, and release.
Take a slow inhale through the nose. Lift your shoulders to your ears. Exhale, let them drop. Again, breathe in, shoulders up. Breathe out, release. Keep the jaw soft. Let one ear melt toward the shoulder. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides.
Here we go! Shake it out! Woo!
Oh, that's good.
Let it go, let it go! Yeah! Woo, I feel lighter already. Deep breath in.
And out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe so you never miss a workout. For daily fitness and workout inspiration, this is Bright Body Briefs. Stay fit, stay strong, and keep glowing.